Alright, what's going on, everybody? So, I'm going to be doing a quick little weekly recap of what Price did this week. So, at the start of the week, I was bullish up to this fair value gap right here on NQ and ES, this daily fair value gap. And as you can see, we did not. We went the complete opposite way, which is fine. It happens. I was expecting bullishness, but I guess we're having a retrace of some sort. But it doesn't matter because I had probably the best trading week of my entire trading career. So over here on Wednesday, let me replay this all the way back. I was over here on it in Q on indices, right? Right here on indices, we had this. Let me pull up the Dow. So when I woke up on Wednesday, right, I called price. I called for bullishness on NQ. Um, the night before. I wanted to see us come up and be bullish. Now, what am I missing right here? Right, that's right. So we had this doubling SMT right here, right? Not doubling, but we had this SMT between Monday and Wednesday, right? Here, this is the Dow. Dow took out Monday's lows. NQ did not. All right. Then we dropped to the 5 minute, right? On that day, right? We had this SMT between the 9 o'clock and the 6 o'clock low. YM took out the low. NQ did not. That's a two-stage cracking correlation right there. The high time frame and a low time frame SMT. I waited for price to I waited for the Dow to take the low, right? Then I dropped to the 1 minute. And you can see that there is this order block, this little order block right here. I waited for price to retrace down to here. Had a super tight stop loss, right? 6.25 points. And then I targeted all the way up to here. This was a 37R trade of some sort. My TP was like a little bit lower. But yeah, I called this trade live in the Discord, right? I traded it in front of everybody. I actually I took a partial right here at like 14 hours. So technically this trade was around like 24 hours or so, 24 or 30. I don't even know, but I let like 60% ran up to all the way over here. So this was an insane day. I was able to recover back my losses from April, which is this one trade. So yeah, that's this is the only time I traded this week. We had double SMT, and then we were going for this buy side up here, all of these buy side. So yeah, over here on gold, this week we called for bullishness to come up and refill this new week opening gap and then take out this high. We did exactly just that. I called the low of the week right here. It came back down to take that one more time before shooting higher. But so I'm gonna say I was wrong about low of the week right here, just because it came back down. And if I was actually in a swing position down here, I would have been break even. So I would technically be wrong here, but drawn liquidity was met. We called the right side of the market for gold. That's fantastic. Silver came up. As you can see, silver also was bullish and took out this buy side, the buy side up here. Right. We're still chopping, but I think that an expansion is coming. I think gold is gonna come up, take this high, Silver's gonna come up to here, take out this devil's mark. Here on the daily, as you can see, this is the there's a devil's mark on the daily candle. This is the tariff. When we had that tariff announcement, this has a bunch of liquidity up here. This is a CRT candle. This CRT high has yet to be taken. So I have my eyes on this for silver. But yeah, great week for me. I did not trade Thursday and Friday because my model simply wasn't there. Even though I was bullish for both those days. I called it in my in the Discord server in Triad. I unfortunately did not. I called this bullish move up here on Thursday, and then I wanted to long this, but I didn't really see my model, so I just skipped out. But yeah, great week for me. I hope you guys had the same week. If not, I hope you guys manage your risk, so you guys didn't lose too much money. If you manage, even if you lost this week, but you manage your risk, you still fucking won. So be proud of that. Alright, so that's enough from me. I will catch you guys next week.